Bueno, la veritat que ha sigut una passada, llàstima el primer dia que no es va poder fer la carrera, però bueno, l'espera ha valgut la pena, va nevar ahir bastant, avui ha sortit un dia perfecte i bueno, el nivell de la carrera, dels riders i tot l'espectacle en general ha sigut bastant d'un 10. Com dos fases, estava la primera fase que era dos canals bastant grans, la majoria de riders han tirat per la part esquerra i després tenies a la part de baix una mica més per jugar amb roques petites i això, però bueno, bastant completa.
Esdeveniments?
Sí, està clar, té bastant de desnivell, tens bastants jocs per tothom que tingui lloc per fer les seves línies. La part de baix també és diferent, la primera part és potser més alpina, la segona part una mica més backcountry per fer trucs i això, o sigui que és bastant completa la cara, la veritat que molt bé. Bueno, bé, aquí a la GrandRide la veritat que l'organització ha sigut el primer any, ha estat bastant bé, van tenir el problema aquest que es va tenir que cancel·lar, però ho vam solucionar bastant bé. Després la cara que tenim, la muntanya que hi ha és per celebrar 4 estrelles també perfectament. I bueno, i tot el que sigui pujar més i més competicions aquí al Pirineu, la veritat que pels riders que són d'aquí ho agraïm bastant.
Espectacular.
Okay. So what you can see now on the camera just behind me is a perfect pyramid. This kind of mountain is graphic and is interesting with a clear summit, and after many different options, basically we separate the face in 3 different zones, and I think it's interesting because it's a technical run. Today is a sunny day, yesterday is snowing, but for the rider you need to manage the vertical drop because it's a long face and he has many different options. So basically you can ski on the middle and go relatively fast because the snow is really good, and after you can manage to play more on the bottom. There's different options for the jump. Or you can looking for something like more technical and play near to the rocks. That's the option choice some competitor. And in terms of mountain, we have something interesting. On this kind of event, is always easy to know who is the man of the day. We don't discuss. On my experience, I don't see many events when the judge of the public, of the competitor, he say for the first, he say yes, maybe no. And usually you have one man of the day, and is more after for the ranking. And the guy win today is because his ski really strong, clean. He has a technical line, and he manage tricks on the bottom, and yeah, everybody is agree for say that's the man of the day.
Yeah, I'm very happy about today. I managed to find my way down and stand on my feet and land the trick as well, so I'm really happy about today. It felt really good, and the snow was amazing and you could go really fast and really fun. Yeah, I really like the face. Feels like it's missing maybe a little bit bigger cliff. That would have been fun, but considering the conditions and the face as it is now, I think it's offering a lot. A big mountain face in the beginning, and then at the bottom it opens up for creativity. So yeah, it's a good face.